today. Hey, we're gonna unpack hack the so hey guys, today let's go and take a look at the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 with black hack. Well, it's not official. It's unofficial thing. Unofficial thing. So I'm not fly with Samsung to make this look like it. Well, the operating system is totally already the jelly bean thing. Well, yeah. Well, it has widgets on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. Yeah. Well, in 2011, Samsung announced the Tab 2 last in a long time ago. So let's go and see the unboxing thing together. Let's see this unboxing thing. Okay, so it's also from. So this one is also from Verizon with 4G LTE. Well, this camera was old, and this device is old. It says made in Korea by Samsung. Well, just like that. Just like that. So this device was really cool, and I don't have a Verizon account because my dad doesn't and set up this one, but and this Verizon was I don't like Verizon because it drops calls just like that, and want to say just say whatever. So okay, so let's go and turn on this tab too. 7.0, yeah. Just like that. Verizon. Just like that. That's it. That's it for the unboxing video of this tattoo. Well, I haven't seen them before, and yeah. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more stuff about Samsung Tab 2, you can go to the website. If you want to buy this tattoo in 2021, you can get it on eBay. Hey, if you want Verizon, you can write in the link below. So if you want to download, if you want to buy without Verizon, go to the left. Go to the left. Now, thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a great day. Oh, I forgot.